Seyyah Ressam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet. Hands-on with Baseus S2. 4K solar-powered security camera with unlimited battery life. The home security market is constantly evolving, and Baseus has entered the outdoor surveillance segment with an innovative product, the Baseus Security S2 4K. Promising ultra-high resolution, local storage, AI-powered features, and a solar-powered battery system designed for unlimited operation. This camera is positioned as a strong contender for those who value both privacy and convenience. Priced at $200, but currently available for just $129 with a coupon discount. The S2 4K brings impressive value to the table. Unboxing and accessories. Opening the box, you'll find a straightforward package. Inside are 3 screws with wall plugs for installation, a sturdy mounting bracket, and of course, the camera itself. The rear of the device features a standard 14-inch threaded mount, allowing you to attach it either to the included bracket or even a tripod for more flexible placement. One downside, however, is the lack of alternative mounting accessories. In the box, unlike some competitors that include adhesive mounts or clamp systems, Baseus only provides the traditional drill and screw method. If you prefer non-invasive installations, you'll need to purchase additional accessories separately. Design solar power meets practicality. The Baseus S2 4K adopts a square, boxy design built from durable white plastic that feels solid yet modern. The front panel features a glossy black face where the camera, lens, sensors, and emergency lights are housed. A small blue LED indicator signals its active status, though it can be turned off via the companion app if you find it distracting. What makes the S2 stand out is the integrated solar panel on its roof. This compact solar module automatically rotates and adjusts its angle to capture maximum sunlight, ensuring efficient charging. In theory, this allows the camera to operate indefinitely, without requiring external power. Other design details include a downward-facing speaker for clear two-way audio and rubber-sealed compartments protecting the micro SD card slot and USB-C port. With weather-resistant construction, the device is built for outdoor conditions. Privacy and smart features. One of the most compelling aspects of the Baseus S2 is its commitment to data privacy. Unlike many cloud-first competitors, most of the data is stored directly on the device, reducing the risk of remote leaks. AI facial recognition is a headline feature, capable of distinguishing between family members and strangers. Users can create a whitelist of up to 10 familiar faces, ensuring the system won't trigger false alarms for household members. Importantly, all facial recognition processing occurs locally on the camera, rather than on external servers, further enhancing security. The camera also supports privacy zones, allowing users to mask specific areas they don't want recorded, useful for safeguarding private spaces, while still monitoring the rest of the property. Performance: day, night, and motion detection. On paper, the S2 offers 4K resolution, but in practice, the image quality is somewhat underwhelming. Due to aggressive compression, footage sometimes suffers from pixelation and blurring, particularly when zoomed in. While detail is still respectable, it falls short of the sharp clarity one might expect from a true 4K camera. Motion detection works within an 8-meter radius and generally responds quickly. However, because of the solar-powered sleep mode design, the camera doesn't continuously record. Instead, it activates upon detecting movement. This occasionally results in missed moments, particularly if a person moves quickly across the frame. Sensitivity can be adjusted within the app, which helps reduce false negatives, but the issue isn't entirely eliminated. Night vision is supported, though the much advertised color night vision only functions when the spotlight is turned on. Without it, the footage remains monochrome. App experience. The Baseus app, available on both iOS and Android, provides a polished user experience. Setup is straightforward. Connect the camera to Wi-Fi. Pair it with the app, and configure preferences. The app supports multiple profiles, such as a home mode that disables alarms but continues recording. Users can schedule activity times, control the spotlight, activate alarms, or communicate via two-way audio directly from their phones. Real-time streaming is smooth, and snapshots or short recordings can be easily saved. Final verdict: the Baseus Security S2 4K is an outdoor camera that combines solar-powered longevity, privacy-first storage, and AI intelligence in a sleek package. While its image quality doesn't fully deliver the 4K promise, and motion detection sometimes lags with fast movement, the overall experience is highly positive. For $129 after discount, the S2 represents excellent value for homeowners who want a reliable, privacy-focused outdoor camera without worrying about battery life or constant recharging. It may not replace high-end security systems, but for everyday monitoring, it's a practical and affordable solution. Pros: unlimited battery life via solar charging, local storage with strong privacy controls, AI facial recognition with whitelist capability, two-way audio and smart app integration, affordable pricing after discount. Cons: 4K video quality degraded by compression, missed detections due to sleep mode activation, limited mounting accessories included. At its discounted price, the Baseus S2 4K is a smart buy for privacy conscious users looking for a low-maintenance outdoor security solution.